Calibration. Important: the interactive pens that shipped with the projector must be calibrated before calibrating the rest of the system. Calibrate interactive projector pens before other system calibrations. Using the remote control, select User button. Follow directions on the screen to complete pen calibration. Once the pens are calibrated, you will calibrate the touch function of the interactive projector. Calibrating the touch function. Select Easy Interactive Function from the Extended menu. Select Touch Unit Setup. Select Power and set to On. The touch unit power turns on and the indicator light turns blue. Select Angle Adjustment. Select Installing the touch unit without the bracket. The angle adjustment screen is displayed. Then, press the button on the remote control. Turn the adjustment dials on the touch sensor counterclockwise just until you hear a click. Do not overturn. Then, press the return button on the remote control. Attach the two magnetic markers, included with the BrightLink projector, to the positions shown on the projected image. Match the positions so that the crosses overlap with the points on the marker positions noted on the projected image. Move the marker over the projected cross until the lines of the cross align with the lines on the marker. When circles with the same color as the marker positions are displayed on the left and right of the screen, turn the adjustment dials on the touch sensor to move the blue and green circles inside the target of the same color on either side of the screen. When the circles on the left and right become solid, press the return button on the remote control. The following screen is displayed. Place the markers at the top marker positions. When angle adjustment is performed correctly, the upper circles become solid. Place the markers at the bottom marker positions. When angle adjustment is performed correctly, the bottom circles become solid. When the marker positions have been checked, remove the markers and press the button on the remote control. The following screen is displayed. Swipe through the dots with your finger as shown. When the angle adjustment has been done correctly, the dots will disappear. Finger touch operations may not function correctly if you are wearing bandages, artificial nails, nail polish, or anything else that may obstruct your fingers.